Hi, Assalamu alaikum. How are you doing? Have a blessed morning. Today I will make you listen to some birds chirping, and I will let you know that how beautiful the morning is in the village. So can you hear the sound? I'm just I just finished my morning prayer, and I noticed that uh, the birds are chirping around my side too. So I just open the camera to record the video to make you listen to that birds chirping. I'm recording with my phone, and this phone microphone is very powerful. I'm not using any sound effect. So can you hear the sound birds chirping around my side? You know, before I didn't notice this sound, but as I talked to foreigners and they made me notice, they told me that it's very peaceful where you live. So from that day I'm noticing now, so I enjoy it. Actually, who lives in village, they are get used to of it, so I think they don't notice. But if you can feel it, I think they will be very peaceful if they can enjoy. So after morning prayer, I don't go to bed. I just walk and listen to that birds chirping, and I enjoy it a lot. Just listen. There are a lot of birds. I don't even know its name. Maybe dove, magpie, bulbuli. I don't know English name. I think it's bulbuli, called bulbuli. Common myna, I think. Sparrow, some other birds as well.